Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next episode of my blog on YouTube. And today I want to talk about the lights on a BMW, particularly mine, what I will be doing, and the light itself, how it should be done in the car in the best way. So, you all remember as you watched my previous episodes where I was showing you like I'm driving in the evening. It was not late evening, it was 7 p.m. just. Because of Russian invasion, we don't have much electricity now in our country, in Ukraine, and the government has to turn off the street lights, and it's quite difficult to drive without proper good lighting on your car. It's quite a difficult task to make good quality of car light, headlights and fog lights, and I want to talk about this today. So what I decided to do. For the first, I repaired my Xenon lights, their adaptive lights. The lenses are turning left and right when I turn left or to the right. So I repaired this, and now this is working good. But I saw that one of the bulbs is not working, which is not turning. It's just turning on to light the right side or the left side. So I already bought two awesome new lights there to put there, and also the fog lights, they are not working also properly. One bulb was broken, and on the second side the wiring also was really bad. So my task today is to change the turn lights and to change the fog lights, and for the one fog light to make a new normal wiring. So guys, that's what I'm talking about. The lens which is turning is here, and the light which is turning on when also the car is turning is here. So this was not working. Also the fog lights, exactly here there are wiring problems. The main thing what I want to say to you, that maybe you can think that okay, let's put xenon lights everywhere, let's put xenon lights there, let's put xenon lights there, but that's a quite bad idea. The xenon lights in the reflector type of headlight or fog light is not working, so you will have no light shadow border there, and you will just blind everyone on the road, and that's quite bad. Also, you will not gain the light that you expect to gain. So the best solution here in the reflector type is to put standard halogen lights. And yes, there is the third option, to put there the LED lights, new type of lights, LED lights. Yes, they might work. Yes, they can have the light shadow border also, but it's kind of a trick, because the cheap one will not have it. The expensive one, yes, they will have it, but do you want to spend 3-4 times more price of the bulb just for white light? The main problem there is that of the color of the light, because in the rain, in the hard conditions, if you have white lightning, it is really badly to see it on the road. If we are talking about the color of the light, the yellow lightning is much better for this. Just check it and watch about the 24 hours Lemans lights race, and you will see that mostly all cars there have yellow lights. And that's because why? That they don't have powerful lenses, xenon lights, LED. No, they just have standard lights just with the yellow color. That's because of the visibility, and the best solution for the visibility in bad conditions, in bad weather, with no road lighting, they are using this in racing. So the idea is, why don't use it here and in my car, and also it will gain some stylish. So what I bought are the all-weather bulbs. They are just the same as the standard halogen lights, halogen bulbs, but they are lightened with hard yellow color, just like in 24 hours Lemans. This is quite a good experience. I already made it some time ago, 10 years ago, or maybe 12, yes. And I had a really good experience in lighting with this. So I want just to do the same thing here on my E90 today, and let's start. And here they are. How do they look? Firstly, you can just Google it. It's called all-weather lamps, bulbs. And there, how do they look? They have some sort of yellow and violet color on the bulb, but not too much. That's the H8 for the fog lights, and that's the H3 for the turn lights. This is the same bulb, so it's the standard halogen bulb, just with some color, not heavy. So this is not for the, this is not like if you may wrap it with yellow tint, some sort of, so it will not work. Don't mistake about this. You should have particularly this, because it gains something about 30% of more light power than the standard halogen bulb because of this. So not the tint, not the yellow tint. To change the turn lights, it's not quite a big problem, so we just have to remove this from here. It's very simple, and here we have 3 bolts which we should take off here, and we have the adapter to the bulb. So now it's off, and we can see it, the bulb is here. So we just change it. Here you can see the difference, the old one, the standard one, and the new one, the yellow. let us call it the 24-hour Lemans style. So here it is. Well, actually I was expecting a bit more yellow color, but let's check on the road a bit later, maybe in some of the next videos. We will check how the light is going on the road. But for now, even in daylight, you can actually see that the color is yellow. Yes, it's yellow. So basically, I think it will do its work. And for now, I just want also to check the turn lights. So let's switch to automatic. The xenon lights are on now, and let's turn left. And now the turn light should be on. And yes, it's on. You can see it. It's on now with hard yellow color. Let's check the right side. Turn to the right. So here on this side it's gone, and on this side it's on. So good job. Also now and with the fog lights on. Let's check them too. And yes, so this is how it's looking now. Engine was cold, now it got a bit more warm. So yes, I think this stage with the lights is done now. And also the last interesting test that I want to show you. So check here the lights. So turning the steering wheel, let's zoom a bit, and you see that the lights are going on as I'm turning to the left, and now they're off the entrance to the center. So here's the result of all job. It's got dark now, and so let's check it out. So as you can see, I have a tint on my windshield, so this is not actual light. You can check it if you go outside, and it's really much better. So this is automatic. Let's check it out again. As by turning, we can see that the lights are really going to the right. You can see it. Let's check again. I like this scene so much, you know. Yes, and to the right they are going very much, really much better front light now, really good.